You will most likely have to write at least one argumentative research paper in your academic career, and you may even have one due soon. If you're not sure how to start your research, let me show you a resource that can help you find some good information for your assignment. Hi, my name is Crystal Haynes, a librarian at Richland College, and I'm going to show you exactly where to go to begin your research for your assignment. Let's go to the computer and get started. We'll start at the library homepage at www.richlandcollege.edu. From there, we're going to click on the Databases tab, which is located right here. Clicking on that will take you to the Databases page where you have access to over 100 databases. I'm going to show you how to use opposing viewpoints, which can be found right here on the right-hand side of the screen, and also under the O in the alphabet bar. It's the second option, opposing viewpoints. Clicking on that will take you to the home page, which looks like this. So we have some featured issues, and then if you scroll down, we have some topics that are grouped by subject. There's a couple of different ways that you can navigate this database, and one of them is to click on the Browse All Topics button, which is right here in the middle of the screen, or if you scroll up to the very top, there's a Browse Issues button that you can click on. That will take you to the Browse Issues page, which looks just like this. This is a nice long list of different topics that they have put together for you so you can decide what you want to research. This is really good if your instructor tells you pick a topic and you're not really sure where to start, you don't even know what information is out there. This is a great place to start so you can see what is interesting to you and you can begin your research. Everything from 9/11 all the way down to zoos and aquariums is perfect for you to start with. I'm going to click on obesity, and that's going to take you to the subject page for this topic. So what they've done, they made like a one-stop shop for this topic where they have an introductory article, and if you scroll down, they also have something called featured viewpoints. This is really good because what they do is they give you articles that are for the topic and articles that are against the topic, so you can get a better idea of what information is out there that can help you with your argumentative paper. There's also academic journals here, which is just all kinds of information about the topic. If we scroll down some more, we have some reference materials. These are good for introductory paragraphs, the definition of the topic, and some history on it. And then if we keep going, we get down into images and periodicals, including the newspapers, and then we have magazines down here. The newspapers are probably going to be the most current because newspapers come out on a daily basis, but check with your instructor to make sure that you're allowed to use periodicals for your research. And then towards the bottom, we have websites here, which are generally going to be .org or .gov websites, which again should be safe for you to get your research from. I'm going to scroll back up to the top and show you what an article looks like when you click on it. I'll click on Read More for this introductory article. And I like opposing viewpoints because the articles are short, sweet, and to the point. They're not very long, and you're going to be able to get well-rounded information from it. So here under the table of contents, it talks about body mass index, causes and effects of the topic that we're looking at, which is obesity. And as I said, it's not very long. And towards the bottom of the article, they actually give you the citation for the source, which what you can do is just copy and paste it to your Word document. I'm going to scroll back up to the top, and on the right-hand side of the screen, we have this tools bar, which is going to be of great use to you as you are doing this preliminary research. Again, here's the citation tools. If you click on that, you can actually select which citation format you're using. And once you just double check it, because these are computer generated, so sometimes they're missing commas, missing periods. So once you make sure that it's correct, you can copy and paste it over to your Word document again. You can highlight if you want to, and then you can print it off if you're like me and you like to have something in your hand to highlight. That's an option. And the email option is going to be the most beneficial to you because as you're doing this, like I said, preliminary research, you're going to find a lot of information and you can email it to yourself so you can weed out the things that can and can't work when you actually begin writing your paper. So that's one way that you can search this database. Another way is to simply use the search bar here towards the top of the screen. And if you know exactly what you want to find information on, you don't have to browse issues. You can just type in what you're looking for. So let's say I want information on politics. So just like Google or any other search engine, they're suggesting words for you to click on. Any of the words here that are bolded, that means that there is a subject page created for this topic. Just like we looked at obesity, there's a page for women in politics, so they group all the information together as a one-stop shop. Anything else that's not in bold, they're just going to list information for you to look through. So I'll click on politics and show you what that looks like. Same information, it's just listed and presented a little bit differently. Viewpoints, reference materials, as well as images, and then websites towards the bottom. So this is the second way that you can navigate this database, by just typing in your topic into the search bar. Opposing viewpoints is a great place to start your research for any argument and information that you may need. In addition to that, I recommend looking at other databases including CQ Researcher, Sears Researcher, and Academic Search Complete. They can all be found on the databases page using the alphabet bar. If you get to this point and you're still having trouble finding good information, please come to the library and speak to a librarian about your project. We're in Lavaca Hall and we're here to help. Thanks for watching.